Hi dear Pisces, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a general reading for all the Pisces, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind this is general, it might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the rules can be reversed also. The third thing, this is a reading from 26th of August till the 1st of September and it's valid for every 12 sign that you're dealing with along with your own sign. If it is not it's not your story, then you can skip the video. If you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that. I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment. Pisces. We have the moon card. This is your card only. So someone is so scared to maybe reach out to you. Someone is so scared that they will never be able to get back to you. Someone is scared in this situation for some reason. Their intuition is kind of telling them that something is off here in the situation between you and them. Let's clarify the moon. We have the Three of Pentacles, the Two of Wands and the World card. Yeah, someone is scared of waiting for longer than longer than time. Okay, so they feel like they have waited enough for this collaboration, this partnership, this connection to work out and they can't wait any longer. It's like this person is feeling like they lost this connection. They are losing this connection or they already lost this connection and they can't wait for this connection to work out. They can't wait for any more, they can't wait for any more time. It's like they can't give it any more time of their life. They feel like I have given enough time, enough energies, enough resources. Maybe it's never going to work out. Maybe we are not meant to be together. Maybe this, maybe that. But this person is scared that they lost this connection for good this time and it is never going to work out because they have waited long enough. They have given all the time, all the resources, everything from their side. They got the clarity. According to them, they got the clarity that this is over or this is not going to work out between you and them somehow. This is the energy that they're giving me. Okay, let's see what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Pisces. Let's see what's happening. Four of Cups. You are very upset about something. You do have options, but you're stuck on a particular person or situation and you are quite upset about something not working out the way you want it to work out or about a particular situation not showing you the results, the kind of results that you were hoping for. Let me clarify the Four of Cups here. We have the High Priestess, the Seven of Pentacles, Eight of Cups. Yeah, your intuition is telling you not to wait for the situation to work out anymore. This is done, this is gone. Walk away from the situation, detach from the situation completely. So it's like you're feeling upset about the situation, but you feel like there's nothing left in the situation to wait for anymore, and your intuition is kind of telling you to walk away from the situation completely, but it is giving you a very hard time to get out of the situation. But at the same time, you feel like this is the right thing to do to get out of the situation permanently because it's not going anywhere and it's not going to go anywhere. So according to the situation, both of you are feeling like the situation is over, this is gone, this is done, and you guys can't do anything about it, and both of you are very upset about it, especially you, Pisces. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Pisces? Five of Wands. Their intention is to, I think their intention is to sort the drama, sort the chaos, sort the conflict between you and them. I don't clarify the Five of Wands. I think their intention is to sort the drama, sort the chaos and the conflict between you guys. Let me clarify. We have the Moon, the Devil, the Ten of Pentacles. Yeah, their intention is to sort out everything negative, everything toxic, every kind of fear that they have regarding this situation. They want to sort it out with you and they want to make it work out with you because again, either there is a fear that there are a lot of people involved, third party involved, unhealthy attachments involved, and there's a lot of toxicity in the situation. Either it's the fear that's turning into toxicity, or it's simply the things or people or situations that's coming between you guys and creating all this chaos and drama. Okay, so they want to sort it out with you. They want to let go of the fear, let go of this energy of toxicity and negativity from the situation, and make it work out between you and them to the level of commitment, partnership, long term partnership. So they still hope for the best out of this worst situation. This person is feeling defeated in the situation, they're feeling helpless in the situation. So this person definitely wants to sort it out with you, so that they can have a long term kind of, this person wants to have a long term goal, long term partnership kind of a thing with you. Okay, let's see what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Pisces. What are your intentions here? The Fool, you just want to break free. I think you just want to have a breakthrough in the situation, and you want to, I think you just want to get out of the situation, break free from the situation. Let me clarify the Fool here. We have the Hermit, the Ten of Wands. Yeah, you're planning to get out of this situation slowly but surely. And I think you are in this energy of letting go of this disaster. You are taking this situation as disaster. You want to work on yourself, your money, your job, your career, your everything. You want to make yourself the priority of your life, and you want to be successful, and you just want to break free from the situation and never look back, because according to you, you have given enough time, enough situation. Even if there is love from your side in the situation, you don't want to be in this situation anymore, or you don't want to be in the same kind of situation anymore. So you just want to give yourself the time and energy to heal yourself properly, so that you can go towards the next chapter of your life with the healed and proper beautiful kind of energies. That's really cool. That's really, really cool. But you have made up your mind that you want to move on from the situation and never look back, because again, you have given enough time, energy and everything to the situation, and you can't handle it anymore. Let's see what could be the possible outcome of the situation, what's coming towards you. Page of Pentacles. Okay, okay, a brand new beginning, might be a brand new person, might be a brand new energy or a friendship kind of a deal. Let me clarify the Page of Pentacles. Start of something very small, start of something very, very small, really very small. Let's clarify the Page of Pentacles here. We have the Temperance, the Three of Swords, and the Seven of Swords. I'm sorry to say this, Pisces, but some kind of secret is going to come out, and it's going to break your heart in some way, shape, or form. I do see somebody is coming towards you with this energy of let's heal this situation after breaking your heart into pieces. You will get to know something about a particular person or situation, and somebody will try to explain, like explain to you why whatever happened the way it happened, or whatever they did was not their intention. Somebody will try to come back around and explain something to you, some kind of secret. A secret is going to be revealed to you, and somebody will try to come towards you to explain the secret to you, explain this cheating to you, explain why they broke your heart or why they did whatever they did with you. And they will offer you this energy of, okay, can we be just friends, if not not lovers, or if not in a relationship, can we be just friends? Okay, so it's going to break your heart to know something about someone, or you already know something about someone, but you will get the confirmation from this person's side itself, and they will try to fix it with you in some way, shape, or form. I don't know how, but somebody will try to extend a hand of friendship towards you, a message of friendship towards you in this, and in this on this context of, okay, we have a history together. I know I messed up, I know I fucked up, but can we be together as a friend only, or can we just stay in touch with each other till we get completely hand, and maybe later we can think about a relationship or something. So yeah, something is, some kind of news or some kind of secret or something is going to be revealed to you that's going to make you very, very upset, but at the same time it's going to set you free also, Pisces. It's going to set you free as well, I'm telling you. But somebody will still try, the audacity this person is having, that they will still try to make it up with you in some way, shape, or form, is kind of pissing me off. So it's going to piss you off more. I think so. I don't know. For some of you, I'm getting that somebody close to you, like somebody close to this person, will tell you something to break it off, so that you can break it off with them and connect with them, for like only 1% of you. But that lie is not going to be a lie. This is not going to be 100% lie. There will be some sort of truth in that. Just make sure that you got the total reality check before you jump into any kind of conclusion. This is the guidance here. Before you jump into any kind of conclusion, before you get into this energy of I want to leave this person forever or I want to be with this person forever, please make sure that you got the truth and the clarity 1000% before jumping into any kind of conclusions of yes or no or maybe or whatever. Okay, making sure that you are 1000% clear, you got everything checked, you got everything completely checked, like all the boxes checked before jumping into any kind of conclusion in the situation. Make sure about that, otherwise you're going to get into trouble in the coming future if you are going to go into a situation before knowing the complete truth or before getting the complete clarity. If your intuition is telling you something is off, something is not right, listen to your intuition, make sure you know everything about this particular person or situation 1000%, then only go forward or break up or whatever you want to do in that situation. That's completely up to you, but make sure you know the whole story, the whole picture before jumping into any kind of conclusions. Okay, yeah. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Pisces. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.